Hey, do you have a Deebot and wonder how you can get under this front roller to give it a clean? It fills up with dirt and grime and you can't get it out. Well, I'm going to show you. You need a small screwdriver and then another big screwdriver to use as a bit of a lever, and it's simple. It just pops up like that. You can take the roller out. Now be careful because the roller pin is in two pieces. You see that little piece here and the longer piece of pin. There's the longer piece there. It fits in the roller and then the other side just slips over top like that. Now watch on to see how I put it back in, and also what to do if it goes terribly wrong and you need to replace the whole roller assembly. Now we have our roller out, we can get in and clean in that area. This is actually quite a clean one, I just wanted to show you. But once you've got all the dirt and grime out, you can push it back in, line up the little pins, they only go one way, and then use a bit of downward pressure to push it in with a positive click. Now, if it doesn't go well and you need to replace a whole unit, there's a link in my description to buy a whole unit. And it's a bit of a mission, you've got to pull the whole thing apart. Get to that little white circlip in there on the main shaft, the whole thing drops down. But if you need a video how to open it up, subscribe to my channel and watch my other videos. Thanks for watching.